Looking for the right electric screwdriver without wasting money on the wrong one? I ranked 5 popular options from weakest to best, and the order might surprise you. In 5th place, this one is the BLACK+DECKER, and it feels like a tool made more for quick home fixes than serious repeat use. It does have decent torque on paper, but once you compare it with the others here, the slow speed and old-school charging setup push it to the bottom. What it does well is simple convenience. The built-in flashlight is handy in a dark cabinet or under a sink, and the pivoting handle can make awkward angles easier to reach than with a fixed straight body. For someone hanging light hardware or tightening loose screws around the house, that can help a lot. But there's a problem. It takes around 10 hours to charge, which is a long wait compared with faster options in this group. And the lack of reverse is a real drawback, because even cheaper feeling tools can become frustrating fast when you need to back a screw out. It is also heavier and slower than some of the better picks here. So this one makes the most sense for casual home use, and mainly if the flashlight and pivoting handle matter more to you than speed. Links to all products from this review at the best price are in the description under the video. In 4th place, the Skil is a more balanced option. It doesn't have the extra trick features of the Worx or the stronger overall control of the top 2, but it feels like a cleaner, more straightforward everyday screwdriver than the BLACK+DECKER. Here's why it matters. It's compact, light in the hand, and easy to use for drawer assembly, switch plates, toys, and basic furniture work. You also get a small starter set of bits, which makes it friendlier for first-time buyers. Compared with the BLACK+DECKER, it feels easier to live with day to day because it is lighter and a bit quicker. The weak point is power and control. At 36 inch-pounds, it trails several others in this lineup, and there's no listed adjustable clutch system to give you finer control on delicate jobs. Micro USB charging also feels dated now, especially when newer tools are moving to USB-C. So while it's neat and practical, it doesn't stand out in one big way. This might work for you if you want a simple, lightweight screwdriver for light jobs and you don't need advanced settings. And before we move on, please like this video and subscribe to the channel if you want more honest tool reviews like this. In 3rd place, the Worx stands out because it solves a very specific annoyance: trying to hold a screw, hold the tool, and keep the work steady at the same time. This one lands in the middle because it is not the strongest performer overall, but it is one of the most user-friendly. In my experience, features that save your hands are worth more than flashy specs. The detachable screw holder makes one-handed operation much easier, especially for small screws in awkward spots. The onboard bit cartridge is also a smart touch. Compared with the Skil, this one feels more purpose-built for quick household jobs, and compared with the BLACK+DECKER, it's more practical as an actual screwdriver. The trade-off is that convenience is the main story here, not raw performance. Torque is not clearly highlighted the way it is on some rivals, and the bit carousel system is useful but not always the fastest when you want to swap directly to one exact bit. It is also still a light-duty tool, so this is not the one I'd pick for long runs of stubborn fasteners. This is a good choice for homeowners who want an easy, low-stress screwdriver for blinds, outlet covers, flat-pack furniture, and small repairs. But if you want more speed, more precision, and a more premium feel, the next 2 step up nicely. In 2nd place, the DEWALT feels like the first tool in this lineup that starts getting serious. It is fast, light, and much more refined than the 3 below it. And when you use it, that combination matters more than one flashy feature. Check this out. 360 revolutions per minute is quick for this class, and the 1-hour charge time is a big upgrade over slower tools here. The 2 amp-hour battery also gives it solid endurance for repeated jobs. What really helps it stand out is the control system and the manual finishing torque. That means you can drive screws with power, then finish carefully by hand without switching tools. Compared with the Worx, it is clearly stronger as an all-around performer, and compared with the Skil, It offers far better control. The only reason it doesn't take first place is that the Bosch edges it out on fine control and modern convenience. The DEWALT still uses a straight format, which some people won't love for every job, and like the others here, it is still a light-duty screwdriver, not a drill replacement. So yes, it is excellent, but it is not perfect. This one is for people who want a compact tool that actually feels premium and capable, whether that's for furniture builds, electronics brackets, or daily small fastening jobs. And if you want the most precise pick of the group, the #1 spot goes to the Bosch. In first place, the Bosch takes the win because it feels the most complete. Not the most dramatic, not the most flashy, just the most dialed in. When a tool is light, quick, easy to charge, and gives you real control, you notice it right away. Here's what I found. The speed range is strong, the weight is very low, and USB-C charging makes it feel current in a way some others do not. But the real reason it comes out on top is the control. 7 torque settings plus a max mode give you more flexibility for delicate screws and more confident driving when needed. Compared with the DEWALT, it gives you a little more finesse. Compared with everything below it, it simply feels more polished. Of course, it still has limits. This is not made for drilling, and it's still part of the light-duty screwdriver category. If you're trying to power through big, stubborn fasteners, you're using the wrong kind of tool. And some people still prefer a pistol-style grip over the straight body, but within its lane, it does the job better than the rest here. So who should buy it? Anyone who wants the strongest mix of precision, portability, and modern features in a small electric screwdriver? For careful assembly, regular home use, and jobs where control matters more than brute force, this is the one I'd pick. Check the links in the description under the video to look at the top products and compare current prices for yourself. And don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.